This is the check spring for the tension assembly on the Innova long arms. Occasionally this will lose its spring and needs to be replaced. When we're replacing it, we don't need to disassemble the entire assembly. All we need to do is unscrew this tiny screw right here. We're going to unscrew that, and then the two parts come apart. The old style may have a wrench instead of a screw, and that's fine. But we don't need to disassemble this part. I'm going to take the check spring out by lifting up the inside edge and just unhooking it, pulling it out slightly, and then untwisting it out. To replace it, we'll do the same thing in reverse. The check spring goes in and then just pops inside the hole. When we put the two pieces back together, we're going to look to make sure that it inserts completely. Give me just a sec to get that. There is a small hole at the bottom. We want to make sure it goes all the way in. See how tight it is? Everything's pushed together nice and snug. Then we will go ahead and tighten that up right there. When we put the check spring back in the machine, there's a screw right there that we will use to adjust back to factory neutral. If you have any questions about that step, please see our next video.